Living in Spain. 10 best places to live in Spain. The number of expats living in Spain has increased significantly in the last decades. Beautiful and sunny weather, with great food and fantastic culture, the country is a popular tourist and expat destination. It is becoming increasingly enticing to sun lovers and new lifestyle seekers wishing to settle permanently. And when you arrive, you will understand why. So buckle up and let's get started, and in no particular order. Here is our pick of the 10 best places to live in Spain. Number 1. Malaga. The city of Malaga is one of the oldest cities in the world, and it has a population that is close to 600,000 people. The city's location on Costa del Sol makes for hot summers with mild winters. Although tourism might be high at times, Malaga still feels very Spanish due to its bustling harbor full of fishing boats and buildings from olden days. Attractive urban beaches, pedestrian-only center filled with shops selling handmade textiles, chocolates or other products. Stroll along the popular Calle Larios lined by outdoor cafes and restaurants, where you'll find tapas bars as well. For those who like festivals, there are plenty. Malaga is a Mediterranean coastal city. The beach and water sports are popular attractions for visitors looking to relax in the sun, while enjoying their time away from work or school. Hiking, golfing, horseback riding, and other outdoor activities can be enjoyed, when not spending endless hours on the sand soaking up rays of sunshine with friends. Number 2. Madrid. With a population of over 3 million people, Madrid is Spain's capital and largest city. It is located in the country's center and experiences cold winters and scorching summers due to its elevation. Madrid is the place to get a taste of everything Spain has to offer. You can explore an urban jungle and indulge in Spanish delicacies like cider from Asturias, seafood Galician dishes with impeccable service at many places. You'll find traditional flamenco music right on Plaza de Santa Ana, not to mention markets where all kinds of fresh produce are sold by locals who've grown them themselves. Madrid itself is also quite an affordable city to live in. Madrid has internationally renowned art galleries, numerous museums, a magnificent royal palace, and vast public squares that may all be found in this wonderful city. This magnificent city also offers a diverse range of shopping opportunities for all tastes. Number 3. Barcelona. Fine dining and cheap grub. High fashion meets street style. There's a vibrant nightlife here, as well as plenty of Mediterranean sunshine. Barcelona can provide nearly any type of pleasure. The city is the capital of the autonomous community of Catalonia, and is Spain's second largest city. Barcelona is a city of contrasts that will leave you stunned. The Ramblas and Gaudí's architecture provides the perfect backdrop for Barcelona, but its true beauty lies within every layer of culture it has to offer, from old medieval walls to modern buildings made up of color. Barcelona is a city with diversity in every facet of life. You can find cheap food, fine dining, and high fashion all within the same block. Barcelona has an electric nightlife scene that will keep you entertained until dawn, while also providing lashings of Mediterranean sunshine for those who prefer to get their tan on during the day, rather than at happy hour in some of the cozy outdoor bars. Number 4. Valencia. Valencia is the northernmost point of Costa Blanca. This bustling and energetic metropolis offers its residents everything a city can provide: infrastructure, facilities, cultural events, entertainment opportunities, and fantastic nightlife. Valencia has been gaining popularity among expats and digital nomads for a good reason. It has plenty of sunshine, an active community populated by friendly locals, and the place is not overwhelmed with tourists, and there's always something going on here. Whatever your interests, you'll find them satisfied within this vibrant Spanish city. In brief, Valencia is hot, exciting, and on the seaside, and you get a lot more bang for your buck than you would in Barcelona or Madrid. People are incredibly nice and friendly. Every person, young or old, enjoys mingling every night of the week, and the entire city lives outdoors. Number 5. Seville. Seville is both the formal capital of Andalusia and the unofficial capital of southern Spain. The sun shines bright in this city. You can see the architecture of Moors while riding a horse-drawn carriage down the cobblestone street, and you will find yourself at ease with all that Seville has to offer. This is not your average town. It's big enough for an airport, but small enough to give you the small town feeling. Seville is known for its many beaches and mountain ranges. Its proximity to Portugal makes it an ideal place for anyone who wants to explore both countries. Seville has the distinction of being Spain's most bike-friendly city thanks in part to how flat the terrain is, as well as over 100 kilometers of bicycle lanes that allow cyclists easy access without worry about traffic or accidents. Those looking to walk around on foot will enjoy themselves too, with plenty going around from flamenco shows, live music festivals, gastronomic markets and much more going on in this wonderful Spanish city. Number 6. Bilbao. Bilbao is a great place to visit if you want to experience a different kind of city life. Bilbao has always been overlooked as a tourist destination, but the focus is shifting now from traditional destinations to places that are more exotic. Bilbao benefits greatly from this shift, because it can boast an environment without tourists and expats like in southern Spain, where there are many tourists. On top of having fewer people, Bilbao also boasts endless days with sunshine and warmer weather than in other parts of the country. The Basque region is a beautiful place, with many opportunities for expats. The people are friendly and welcoming to all who visit their magnificent region. There are also countless services available in the area that can help you establish your life as an expat quickly and easily, but it's not the cheapest place in Spain, but it's worth it. People living abroad often discover that though there may be cheaper lifestyles elsewhere, it's not always worth putting up with the lesser quality of food or healthcare when you have such lovely high-quality resources here. Number 7. Marbella. Marbella is all about glitz and glam, and it attracts the world's wealthiest and famous from all over. Marbella is a fantastic place with wonderful architecture, nice beaches, as well as a thriving nightlife. It has a very low crime level, and the local government keeps it in immaculate conditions. Gastronomically, Marbella offers more than just spectacular food. There's every type of cuisine you can imagine here, from small cafes to Michelin-starred restaurants serving exquisite dishes. Expats with families will find everything they need in order to educate their children, as well as keep them entertained. The majority of Spanish schools are excellent, offering both free or affordable education for kids who live here long-term, without missing out on anything offered at home. Kids will never want to leave this beautiful city once they've lived here for some time. Number 8. Alicante. The capital of the Costa Blanca region is Alicante, which is known for its beauty. Costa Blanca is beautiful, located along the coast, and there are 125 miles of lovely whitish sand beaches. The beauty and charm never leave anyone unaffected by its lovely charm because this well-known tourist destination by Europe has been framed with rough mountain settings that lead up back down into sandy beaches colored subtropical vegetation for your enjoyment. There are many sweet little villages around these two main cities within this area where you will be able to enjoy everything from hiking on one side as well to swimming in clear ocean water all year round. Spain is known for its sun, beaches, and food. But many expats do not know how easy it can be to live in a city with all of those things while also enjoying the country feel. Alicante has plenty of natural wonders that will make you forget all about your woes from everyday life, as well as being an affordable option among other major cities. It's this combination that makes living there appealing. Enjoy comfortable city living without breaking the bank. Number 9. Sotogrande. An additional unique place that can be found in the southernmost portion of the Costa del Sol, near Gibraltar in Cádiz province, is the residential developments and port of Sotogrande, where Spain's most costly real estate can be found. The resorts of Sotogrande are a mecca for the rich and famous, attracting polo players, golfers and yachters. The best courses in Spain can be found here, as well as Santa Maria Polo Club with its spectacular views, overlooking Gibraltar from one side and Africa on the other. For those looking to live out their own yacht fantasies, a villa rental here can include private mooring docks right at your doorstep. Sotogrande is a popular choice among professional expats who have been offered a job in Gibraltar but prefer to reside on the Spanish shore. Number 10. Estepona. Estepona is not as well known as some of its larger cousins like Marbella, Malaga, and Puerto Banús. The white-walled houses that line every street in Estepona provide a cozy and quaint living environment. The town is full of regional as well as international amenities like museums, restaurants, clubs and bars for your enjoyment, no matter what mood you're feeling on any given day. Great nightlife at cafes where you can enjoy some tapas while listening to live music under the stars. As if all the conveniences weren't enough to make it worth considering, with major cities not far away by car or public transportation, this small city offers such diversity while still being close enough to feel at home. So there you have it. 10 best places to live in Spain. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to get notified when we publish a new value-packed video. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.